special train from Chennai carrying 1,140 stranded Manipuris have arrived at Jiribam railway stations this afternoon. The train arrived at 12:20 p.m. All necessary measures have been taken up by the district administrations to receive the returnees. Jiribam District Deputy Commissioner along with District Superintendent of Police has been closely monitoring the railway stations. 50 buses will carry the returnees to Imphal. India reported more than 3,500 cases of coronavirus cases in the last 24 hours, taking the country's tally of infections to 74,281, according to the Union Health Ministry said today. The Health Ministry's dashboard showed there were 47,480 COVID-19 patients in the country and 2,415 fatalities on Wednesday morning, the 58th day of the country-wide lockdown, according to a media report. Union Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman will brief the media on Wednesday at 4 p.m. as per a media report. In her address, Sitharaman will share the details of Rs 20 lakh crore economic stimulus package that was announced by the PM Modi on Tuesday to battle COVID-19. Coronavirus has dealt a severe blow to economies across the world, and developing and poor countries are struggling to shake off the effect of COVID-19 on their economy. India has announced a fiscal package of $2,076 billion to help struggling companies and MSME sector. 2 houses were destroyed after severe thunderstorm struck Wapai village in Technopal district last evening. Talking to our correspondent, Wapai village chief Marim Manhoy Chothe said that the residents are now facing a panicky situation following the storm. Most of the residents in this village are daily wages earners, he said. The village chief urged the government to extend financial support to 2 families whose houses were destroyed in the storm. LVTC Group of Institutions Head Office, Khumbong distributed food items to 50 selected poor and needy households in Khumbong area. LVTC Group Secretary I. Gandhajit led the team in distributing the relief materials. Protections and Preservations Committee Manipur PPCM provided rations to the residents of Haikapok Pitaro village and Kongkhang Chote village under Technopal district. Convener of PPCM Jitendra Ningomba urged that all people must stand united during such critical time. The Ao Send and Apex tribal organizations of Ao Naga community of Nagaland appealed to the state chief minister Naifoi Rio to continue its lockdown policy. It also asked the Chief Minister to shelve the program of arrangement for travel of its stranded citizens back to the state, report said today. It opined that queue from neighboring states have told the unfortunate reports of deaths and continual struggle to contain the dreaded COVID-19 has been introduced by the asymptomatic people coming from infected areas. The FIFA Under-17 Women's World Cup in India will now be held from February 17 to March 7 next year. According to a media report, the tournament has been rescheduled after the world body made a thorough assessment of the situations arising out of COVID-19 pandemic. The tournament was earlier scheduled to be held from November 2 to 21st this year but was postponed last month due to the coronavirus outbreak, which brought global sport activities to a grinding halt.